Welcome to our in-depth review of Dreams Bahia Mita Surf and Spa Resort, a luxurious eco-friendly paradise nestled in the heart of Punta de Mita, Nayarit, Mexico. This stunning resort, situated on the beautiful Banderas Bay, offers a perfect blend of luxury, family-friendly amenities, and a commitment to sustainability. So grab your virtual sunscreen, and let's dive into what makes this resort a dream come true for travelers seeking the ultimate Mexican getaway. Let's start with the accommodations that await you at Dreams Bahia Mita. Picture yourself stepping into one of their 363 spacious suites, each a testament to modern design and comfort. The resort offers a variety of room types, all adorned with contemporary decor that's sure to make you feel like you've stepped into a magazine spread. Whether you're gazing out at the lush tropical landscape or drinking in the endless ocean views, these rooms are designed to make your jaw drop faster than you can say margarita, pour favor. Each suite comes equipped with a daily refreshed minibar, because let's face it, vacation calories don't count, right? And if you're feeling peckish at 3 a.m., fear not. The 24-hour room service has got your back. It's like having a magic genie at your beck and call, minus the blue skin and Robin Williams' voice. The suites also boast modern amenities that'll make you wonder if you've accidentally stumbled into the future. From smart TVs to high-speed Wi-Fi, you'll have all the tech you need to stay connected or to post those envy-inducing vacation pics on social media. Now, let's talk about the culinary journey that awaits you at Dreams Bahia Mita. With 8 dining options and 6 bars, your taste buds are in for a treat that'll make them think they've died and gone to flavor heaven. While we don't have specific details on each restaurant's concept, we can assure you that variety is the spice of life here. From casual beachside bites to elegant fine dining experiences, there's something to satisfy every craving. Imagine starting your day with a hearty breakfast overlooking the ocean, followed by a light lunch by the pool. As the sun sets, you could be savoring fresh seafood at a specialty restaurant or indulging in international cuisine that'll take your palate on a world tour. And let's not forget about the 6 bars scattered throughout the resort. Whether you're in the mood for a fruity cocktail by the beach, a sophisticated wine in a lounge, or a nightcap under the stars, the bartenders here are ready to shake, stir, and pour your worries away. One of the best parts? It's all included in the unlimited luxury experience. That's right, no need to worry about wristbands or tipping. Just pure, unadulterated indulgence. It's like being a kid in a candy store, except the candy is gourmet food and top-shelf drinks, and you're a very happy adult. When it comes to cooling off, Dreams Bahia Mita doesn't disappoint. The resort boasts multiple pools that are so inviting, you might start to wonder if you're part mermaid. While we don't have specifics on each pool's features, we can tell you that there's a dedicated children's pool for the little ones to splash around in. Picture yourself lounging by a sparkling infinity pool, cocktail in hand, as you gaze out at the endless ocean. Or maybe you prefer a more active pool experience, with water games and activities to keep you entertained. But let's not forget about the beach. Oh, the beach. Dreams Bahia Mita is blessed with a golden sand beach that's straight out of a postcard. Feel the warm sand between your toes as you take a leisurely stroll along the shoreline, or grab a kayak and explore the crystal-clear waters of Banderas Bay. For the more adventurous souls, surf lessons are available. Who knows, you might discover your hidden talent and become the next big wave rider. The resort also offers a variety of water sports and activities to keep you entertained. From snorkeling in the vibrant underwater world to paddleboarding along the coast, there's no shortage of ways to make a splash. And if you're a golf enthusiast, you're in luck. The resort can arrange tee times at nearby courses, allowing you to work on your swing while surrounded by breathtaking scenery. Now let's talk about activities, because at Dreams Bahia Mita, boredom is simply not in the vocabulary. The resort offers a smorgasbord of recreational activities that'll keep you entertained from sunrise to sunset and beyond. While we don't have specifics on all the offerings, we can assure you that there's something for everyone. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the state-of-the-art fitness center. Whether you're looking to maintain your workout routine or start a new one, hey, no judgment here. You'll find all the equipment you need. And let's be honest, Working out with an ocean view beats staring at a gym wall any day of the week. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Secret Spa is a must-visit. Inspired by the nearby Mariette's Island, this sanctuary of serenity offers a range of treatments designed to pamper you from head to toe. While we don't have details on specific treatments, imagine indulging in a massage that melts away your stress faster than ice cream on a hot day. The spa also features relaxation areas where you can unwind and let the tranquil atmosphere wash over you like a gentle ocean breeze. But the activities don't stop there. The resort's eco-friendly design means you're surrounded by natural beauty at every turn. Take a guided nature walk to learn about the local flora and fauna, or join a beach cleanup to do your part for the environment. And as the sun sets, the entertainment kicks into high gear with live performances and themed events that'll have you dancing the night away under the stars. For families traveling with little ones, Dreams Bahia Mita is a veritable playground of fun and excitement. The resort features a dedicated kids club that's sure to become your child's favorite part of the vacation. Sorry, parents, you've got some stiff competition. While we don't have specifics on all the activities offered, you can bet your bottom dollar that there's enough to keep even the most energetic kiddos entertained. Picture a world of supervised activities where children can make new friends, learn about Mexican culture, and let their imaginations run wild. From arts and crafts sessions to mini sports tournaments, the Kids Club is designed to create memories that'll last long after the tan fades. And for parents, it means some well-deserved alone time to enjoy a quiet meal, indulge in a spa treatment, or simply lounge by the pool with a good book. But the family fun doesn't stop at the Kids Club. The resort's multiple pools include a children's pool, where little ones can splash and play to their heart's content. Family-friendly activities are scattered throughout the day, from beach volleyball matches to cooking classes where kids can learn to make simple Mexican dishes, future master chefs in the making perhaps. And let's not forget about those golden sand beaches. Building sandcastles, collecting seashells, or taking a family kayak adventure. The possibilities for family bonding are endless. The resort's commitment to creating a welcoming environment for guests of all ages means that family vacations here are truly a dream come true. While Dreams Bahia Mita offers enough to keep you entertained for days on end, the surrounding area is a treasure trove of attractions waiting to be explored. Located in the beautiful Punta de Mita region, the resort is perfectly positioned for those who want to venture out and discover the wonders of Nayarit. One of the must-visit attractions is the nearby Mariette's Island. This UNESCO-protected biosphere reserve is famous for its hidden beach, accessible only by swimming through a cave. It's like something out of a movie, a secret paradise waiting to be discovered. The island is also a haven for wildlife, with opportunities to spot blue-footed boobies, humpback whales in season, and a variety of colorful fish. For those interested in local culture, the charming town of Sayulita is just a short drive away. Known for its bohemian vibe, Sayulita offers a glimpse into authentic Mexican life with its colorful streets, artisan shops, and laid-back surf culture. It's the perfect place to pick up unique souvenirs or try your hand at surfing if you haven't already taken lessons at the resort. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.